Hi everybody, my name is Lauren. I'm the head of family success here at Maple. I'm super excited to take you through Maple 101. Welcome, we're very excited to have you. Life at home will never be the same. It is going to be so much more organized and you are going to love Maple. Now today I just want to take you through a quick preview of how our app works so that you can get started. If you at any point need to pause and come back to this, do that. If you also are working with other people inside the household, feel free to send them this video. Okay, first, this is a demo account that I created so that I could take you through what Maple can do. This looks similar to my own Maple account. I've been with Maple and on Maple for 4.5 years, and so my account has a ton of private information. And as you sort of go with Maple and you start to really get set up, you're going to find that it is the one spot that you have everything, and it is awesome. But the first place that we need to start are your folders. Now I'm inside of Maple, and you can see at the bottom right here, I'm on the folder tab, bottom left. You can have folders for anything inside your household. It is where you go to stay organized. So for me, I have a home folder. I have a kids activity folder. Our family is flying on a family vacation to Hawaii, so I have a Hawaii folder. I have a caregiver folder, and I have a kids school folder. Maple was meant to be really, really flexible, so you can set up your folders however it makes the most sense to you. However, you have to start with your folders because the way that Maple works is everything is organized into folders that is inside of Maple. So if you create a to-do list, it has to be associated with a folder. If you create an event on the calendar, it has to be connected to a folder. You can't get away from that. It's how we keep you super organized. It's also how we help you share information in a really private but powerful way. So you can share folders with different people in your life. So when they download Maple and they jump into Maple, they will see that folder that you invited them to, but they won't see anything outside of that folder. So it's a way for you to share specific types of information with specific people while keeping other information private. So let's dive in really quickly. Inside of each folder, you're going to have tools. Let me show you. We're going to jump into my home folder. This is where all of our household information lives. You can see my whole family is there, all our little avatars. You can set up your kids, you can invite your partner, and you guys can work together to get stuff done inside of the household. Now, I have everything here from family calendar events, and this is an event list that we use throughout the week to get organized. You can see we have everything from when we're at the gym to when we walk the dog. We even have family movie night in here. We might have different things like date night or school concerts. It's all here inside of our Maple family calendar. We also have here so you can keep that organized. Recipe box, our shopping list, a recipe box, and a meal planner. I'll take you through that now. Here we have our grocery list items. All of the tools are meant to be shared. We have a recipe box where you can go in here and save all your favorite recipes and import from the web. We also have a meal planner that helps you stay organized and figure out really quickly what you're going to be eating for the week as a family. We also have our family chores in here, who's doing what and how often. Here's inside of a folder. You might have a folder just for your kids' activities. This might be where your kids' calendar lives. And you have things like soccer practices, extracurriculars like piano lessons or singing lessons could all live in here. And what the person, let's try that again. Apply the profile of who the event is associated to. So as an example, Cora, my daughter, has singing lessons every Wednesday. This is a reoccurring event from 4:30 to 5. You can see Cora's little picture there. My husband and I know who that is associated to, just like my son Cedric. His little picture is there for soccer practice. You get really organized, and you can see here that we do color coding based on folders inside of Maple. So all of the tools and information associated to a folder is the color of the folder. You'll see that applied throughout the entire app. Let's take a look at our calendar. So you'll see here all the events on the calendar. The specific events are associated to the folder, the color of the folder, and you can see how that starts shaping up. So if it's, as an example, in the school folder, you can see it's on the school calendar there. We have Thanksgiving break, it's blue. If we're jumping into soccer practice, I love that you tap on it and it highlights all the soccer practices for the month. You can see here that it is pink because it is associated with that kids folder. So filters at the top, you can look at your month view, you can look at your day view. What I love about this is you can sort of scroll through and see your whole family, and you can see what they have on for the day. So as an example, my husband has the gym this morning, so he's there. We also have piano lessons today, so we're doing that. And you can see I'm going, Cedric is going, and Cora's going. So you can change the filter at the top for how you're viewing. We also do a schedule view. I love the schedule view. Another really nice way just to see them lined up like that. You pick, and on every single tab, you have the little dial buttons in the upper left-hand corner. If you tap on that, it takes you to the settings for that specific tab. So if you're in folders, you go to your folder settings here. If you're in your calendar, you can go to your calendar settings, so on and so forth. Food tab. This is where you go to get organized for meal planning for your family. So there are 3 tools that are associated with our meal planning suite. You have a meal plan, which quickly allows you to start planning for the week, for the month, whatever makes the most sense to you. We have recipe box here where you can save all your family's favorite recipes. And of course, we have groceries. You can jump in there, you can add things. You can also add to the grocery list from the meal planner and the recipes. So as an example, we want to have sloppy joes. I go to the recipe and I just tap in the upper right hand corner the shopping basket, and it allows you to pick all the ingredients and quickly add them in bulk to the shopping list. It is a really, really fast way to get organized for meal planning for the week. Same with your meal planner. You can put all your meals on there, and then you can say add to grocery list, and it'll say which ones do you want to add, and you can sort of go through here, add your meals, choose your ingredients, maybe it's all of them, and then quickly bulk add to the grocery list. So that's pretty cool. Your to-do list. This is a master to-do list for the whole app. Now we know that you have a ton of tasks in all those specific folders, but you may want to see them in one list style view. That's why you come here to your to-do list. So this tab helps you see all of the different tasks. They're, again, color-coded based on the folder that they are associated to. You can add a specific person, you can add multiple notifications, and it will let them know when it's time to do that task. Really powerful to-do capabilities here inside of Maple. Again, you can custom sort by date at the top. You can see what's been completed, etc. You can always go back to custom sort here. And if you tap the settings button, you can pick and choose which family members' tasks are shown. Last but not least, we have your inbox. Now, we have Maple's free shared family email address. If you would like to claim it, you can go through the process here, tap claim your free family email. It'll be like zellfamily@mapleinbox.com. That's an example. You can change it, but once you change it and you hit save, you can only do it once, so make sure it's right. And it is great because you can a shared family email, because all of the information comes to that inbox inside of Maple when you use that email. And from there, everybody in your family can view it. So the responsibility of managing emails isn't just on one person, it's on the family. What's really great is we also have Maple Fast, which is our AI, and it reads through the emails and it automatically adds shared family calendar events from the email to the calendar and shared family tasks from the email to your task list. So really quick way to get organized. You also have chats here. You can add chats to any of your folders. You have activities, so you can see who's doing what. Again, this is a demo account, so I'm showing you how I sort of set it up. That's why you see my lovely face all throughout the activity feed. And you have updates. Updates are Maple's messages to families, letting them know what's happening inside the app, when there's new features, etc. So that's all there for you. And in a nutshell, I want to show you last but not least, if you would like to jump in and edit your preferences, I want you to go to your global settings. So it's your name and those little hamburger icon on the left at the very top, Zell family. And this will take you to what we like to call your family hub. You can add photos. This is where you go to add your family, join a household, add members, etc. It's where you can go to find shortcuts to all the different spots inside the app. And if you go all the way down, you can manage your family and your preferences here. Now, something I do want to let you know, Maple's app is like 90% free. That was really important to us at Maple. There are a few paid features, and that's because it costs Maple money. So if you want to connect your calendar, as an example, you can come inside of, as an example, you would come into your calendar settings, scroll down, and choose the external calendars that you want to connect. You can try Maple Plus, I think for like 7 days for free. So go ahead and connect your calendar, see if you like it. You can pull all your external calendar information into Maple, giving you one clear view of your entire family schedule. We have Google, Apple, Microsoft, and TeamSnap integrations. It's super fast and easy. You can just do that here. Inbox. So if you want to connect external family email to Maple, so that means like Gmail or Yahoo or Microsoft Outlook, you can do that here. It does require Maple Plus, and that's because it costs Maple money. And last but not least, if you want to use Maple Fast on an ongoing basis, that's our AI to help you quickly plan meals, to skim through your emails and add those events to your calendar. That also is part of Maple Plus. Again, it's a paid feature because Maple pays for it on our end. If you are in Plus, one of the things that you will also get is you will get to be part of our Family Perks program. These are all the brands that you know and love, and they give special deals and discounts to our family. So just another little nice Maple Plus feature. Other than that, the entire app, outside of those features, is free to use, and you can invite as many people to Maple as you want, and you can have as many folders as you want. That was really important to us as a team, to be able to have the most robust, supportive software on the market for parents today, and you found that with Maple. If you would like any help, please email us at support@growmaple.com and we'll get back to you really quick. We also have a team Slack channel that we invite Maple users to be a part of. So if you're interested in joining that, please email support@growmaple.com and we'll get you in there. Okay, everybody, thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye.